Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by choosing where to look and which date type matters, created, modified, or accessed. Make sure you have permissions and backups if you'll move or delete files. Once ready, open your file manager or a terminal. In the GUI, navigate to the parent folder. In the terminal, set the working directory. Use date-aware options right away. Sort by date or run a date-specific command. This gets you into the first actionable step without delay. You now refine results with precise filters. In a GUI, apply date range or type a date query in the search bar. Sort by date to see recent items. In a terminal, use commands find, newRMT yimmdd for Linux/Mac OS, dir/t, w/s, and PowerShell getChild item recurse where object $. Last write time g yimmdd for Windows. Once done, combine date filters with name, size, or file type to reduce noise and locate the exact file quickly. You finish by verifying file contents and timestamps. Open the file to confirm it's the correct one. If the file isn't found, expand the search to parent drives, network locations, or backups and check external media. Make sure hidden files are visible and you have proper permissions. Timestamp behavior can differ by file system or sync service, so compare created versus modified dates. If things go wrong, check for hidden files or permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.